Samsung is gearing up to unveil something special for tablet enthusiasts. Not just one, but three new Galaxy Tabs expected to launch later this year. And yes, live images of all three have already surfaced online. While the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite and the standard Galaxy Tab S11 don't bring much excitement to the table, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is where things start to get a bit more intriguing and maybe even a little controversial. Just last week, what appeared to be a press render of the Tab S11 Ultra made waves, showcasing a subtly reworked notch design. Now, the first real-world image has popped up in the Safety Korea database, offering a closer look at its fresh water drop style notch, which houses a single front-facing camera. Take a closer look, and you'll spot the impressively slim black bezels surrounding the display. For reference, previous Ultra models, the Tab S8 Ultra, S9 Ultra, and S10 Ultra, all featured a wider notch that accommodated two 12-megapixel cameras on the front, one standard lens and one ultra-wide. That dual camera setup also enabled 4K video recording at 30 frames per second. This time around, it seems Samsung is opting to remove one of the front cameras. But there's an interesting twist. The company might be upgrading to a higher resolution ultra-wide camera capable of cropping in for standard shots without compromising image quality. If Samsung also boosts video recording to 4K at 60 frames per second, that would mark a meaningful upgrade. Interestingly, this capability was present on the Tab S8 Ultra, but was dropped in both the S9 Ultra and S10 Ultra. Meanwhile, Safety Korea has also certified the Galaxy Tab S10 Lite and Tab S11, giving us live images of both. These models feature slightly thicker bezels and a single front camera, not as premium looking as the Ultra, but still respectable. In case you're curious, all three tablets are being manufactured in Vietnam. Here's a quick rundown of the specs. The Galaxy Tab S10 Lite is expected to feature Samsung's Exynos 1380 chipset paired with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It will also offer a microSD slot, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3 with LTE support, an included S Pen, and a sizable 8,000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging. While it was tested running Android 15, there's a good chance Samsung may launch it with Android 16. Moving on to the more powerful siblings, the Tab S11 and S11 Ultra will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chip with options for 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, plus microSD expandability. Both will ship with Android 16 and One UI 8.0 right out of the box. Battery-wise, the Tab S11 houses an 8,160 mAh unit, while the Ultra gets a massive 11,374 mAh battery, and yes, both are expected to support 45-watt fast charging as well. So, what's your take? Are you okay with a single front camera if it means better performance, or are you still rooting for the return of that dual camera setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, and as always, keep smiling.